Advanced Searches in WorldCat, a how-to guide. This video will show you how to carry out an advanced search in WorldCat. If you're new to using WorldCat, you might like to view the basic search video before you view this one. The easiest way to access WorldCat is by selecting the My Books WorldCat tile on the Student Hub. In addition to a basic search, WorldCat allows you to carry out an advanced search. This feature allows for more in-depth searching by letting you search for several key terms simultaneously. When you are on the WorldCat homepage, select Advanced Search on the right-hand side. You will then see 3 search boxes appear. Next to each search box, you will first see a search index box and secondly, an operator box. The first thing you can do is enter your chosen search terms. I'll start by selecting 3 search terms. The terms I have chosen are education, safeguarding and school. The next thing to do is enter the search index field. This indicates where in each record each search term can be found. The drop-down menu gives you a range of choices. If you are searching for a specific author or title, you can change this field accordingly. When conducting a general search, the keyword field is normally the best one to use, so I'll use that for each of my 3 terms. Finally, there is an operator box to choose from, and this gives you 3 choices, and, or, and not. Selecting and joins search terms together, so the search education and safeguarding and schools brings back search results which have all 3 search terms in. The operator or is used to broaden a search. The search education or safeguarding will bring back results with either education or safeguarding in. Finally, the not operator is used to exclude a search from results. The search education not safeguarding brings back results that include education but exclude those where education and safeguarding appear together. If you want to include more search terms in your results, you can do so by adding a row underneath and selecting the Add Row button. You can then enter as many terms as you want, but 3 or 4 search terms are usually sufficient. When you have constructed your search and selected your operators, just click Search and your results will be displayed. Your advanced search will be formalised in the search bar at the top of the screen. If you need further support for locating resources or using advanced search, you can pop into the Hub and speak to a member of the Hub or Library Services team. You can also email libraryhelp@lincolnbishop.ac.uk.